Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Earlier today, I made a video on how to create this. And before I deleted the file, I thought this would be a really interesting intersecting deal. Looks like this shape is behind that shape or winding through it. Really easy, and I've done several videos on this. Let's just get this out of the way. So the first thing you want to do is make a duplicate of that, Control D, and then rotate the duplicate 45 degrees. And then move it wherever you want to in the picture. You want probably some of the white showing through there. Maybe make it a little bit more. Then take a rectangle or a square and try not to get as much of this as you can, but make sure you get all this that is connecting that, so we'll actually go down to there. You've got that selected, hold down the shift key and select this one. Go right here to intersect and then nudge that out of the way. I'm a little curious at how that's going to work, but we'll see in just a second. Now take the original one, go up to Object, Order, Backup Page. And so now it looks like it's behind there. But if we move this one over, now it looks like it's intersecting through there. So that little bit of part did not hurt us. Now, this will not really work if there is an outline on the object, because then you're going to have lines. But you could still add lines now very easily to the inside. Take the Smart Fill tool. Let's use a different color than black. Let's go ahead and go with red. Fill that in. Nudge out of the way, left click, right click on black, and then add that line. So it looks like there's a line. Do the same thing there. Move it out of the way, left click, right click, move it back. Same thing in the middle. You don't really have to move them out of the way, but I just get accustomed to moving them out of the way. And then for the outside is really pretty easy. Just take a rectangle, Smart Fill that in, move that out of the way, fill that in, move that out of the way, and then left click, right click, and move it back. And now it looks like there's an outline around it. That's about the only way to do it with the intersect tool. Now, the only thing I do see that I do not like, and we'll see if we can't fix that, there's not a line right here. But if we look at this line, it's a 5-point line. So let's just take, to make it look perfect, let's take and I draw in red hairline, so we'll have to change it, but just take a 2-point line and go from that node to that node. I'm actually using somebody else's file, so that is a 5.5 line. That's pretty cool the way it looks. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.